everyone, welcome to Fulton County Library System, also a part of Let's Move in Libraries initiative. My name is Kiran Jamluki, and today I'm going to demonstrate some backstretch routine yoga poses which helps you with relieving and reducing back pain. If you get up in the morning and feel a stiffness or muscle tension in that area, it will really help you. Just follow your own pace while doing these exercises and do really slowly. Back pain yoga poses have multiple benefits like strengthening and flexibility of your back. Also, it reduces muscle tension and enhances muscle coordination. Your backbone and movement of your backbone goes hand in hand. So if you do all these exercises consistently, it will help you with the posture of your body and also balancing your backbone, which helps you in long term. So let's begin with knee to chest stretch first. I will show you the single leg version. Let's start doing by lying down on the ground and straight body, legs are relaxed, hands straight and relaxed too. This stretch is safe and easy, but you have any particular condition, speak with your health provider. So I lie on your first back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Gently raise one bent knee up enough so you can hold your lower leg with both hands. Try gently to pull your bent knee towards your trunk using your hands. Hold for a few seconds and return your leg to the floor. Repeat the same thing to the other side. Do the stretch about 10 to 15 times for a few seconds. This stretch is for your lower back muscles and hip, which keeps muscles loose and limber. Wonderful way to restore flexibility in your lower back muscles. It's a good movement which increases your joint flexibility and reduce stiffness, improving back flexibility, I should say. So again, I'm switching the legs, going back on the ground, straight position. Now I'm lifting both legs, bending knees and holding with my hands, interlacing my fingers to hold my legs. You should feel comfortable at this position. You might feel some discomfort, that's okay, but there should not be a lot of pain while doing this exercise. So again, I raised my both legs and holding very comfortably both my legs and trying to pull it towards the chest. Going back again on the ground. Now this is the baby pose you're seeing here. So hold the outsides of your feet once you raise both your legs. If you have difficulty holding the feet with your hands, you can just touch or hold your toes here. Again, I am trying to hold my toes here and moving side to side. If you're comfortable doing this movement, this stretch calms your brain and relieves any kind of stress and fatigue. And the back spine stretch, and it's a greater awareness to the hip joint here. You enjoy this exercise or a backstretch yoga pose. It was the baby pose. Okay, now going to the next pose, it's bridge. So I'm trying to make a bridge here by, raising my back. So lying on your back first, bend both knees and place the feet flat on the ground or floor, hip width apart. Press the feet into the floor and the hips up, rolling the spine off the ground. Press down into the arms and shoulders to lift the chest up. Breath and hold for 4 to 8 seconds. To release, exhale and slowly roll the spine back to the ground. So I'm again making sure my posture is right. I'm doing the same process again. raising the back to the upward direction. Yes, and hold it for a few seconds. You can feel the stretch here, and your elbows should be straight. Now I'm turning to the other side here to do my next pose. So this is the Superman pose here. You can feel the pull at both ends here. So when you lie down on your stomach with toes flat on the ground and chin resting, lift your legs and hands at least 2 feet apart. Hold the position for a few seconds by stretching your arms in front of you as far as you can. Take deep breath while doing this exercise and make sure your elbows, knees are not bent. Okay, so let's start the cobra pose here. So cobra pose, when you move towards the upward direction, basically the upper body part here. But you should be comfortable doing this. So stretch your legs back, tops of the feet on the ground, spread your hands on the ground, lower body firmly into the ground. Since you're already lying down on your stomach, from here we can begin do the modification of the cobra pose. So straightening the arms to lift the chest off the ground, going only to the height at which you can maintain a connection through your pelvic to your legs. Narrow your hip points, shoulder blades should be firm all the time, and release back to the ground anywhere after holding the pose from 10 to 30 seconds. Deeper back bend when you look at the sky, relaxing completely, and keep on changing the modification of the cobra pose. So now I'm getting ready for my next pose, which is cat cow pose. So start on your hands and knees in a tabletop position. Center your head in a neutral position, eyes looking on the ground or at the sky, depending how you're starting. So this is the cat pose here. You should be parallel to the ground, and I am making the round of my spine. So you round your spine toward the sky or ceiling, and it's like a string is pulling you towards the upward direction, making sure to keep your shoulders and knees in position. Release your belly towards the ground. So you basically drop your belly to the ground. But don't have to force your chin to your chest when you see the sky here. Gently coming back to the same position, tabletop position, and do the cat pose by again making the round of your spine like a string is pulling you. I'm dropping my belly down now and trying to look at the sky, but not stretching a lot to see it. Back to the cat pose, and this is good for the flexibility of your spine. It opens the chest and can help prevent back pain when you practice this regularly. Here I am doing the final stretch for this routine. And now I'm sitting down and I'll show you how you can do neck stretch after your back stretch yoga, looking down, upward, then again downward, very slowly, then left and right, both sides, but really slowly. You should not feel any kind of pain in your neck while doing all these stretches. These are the neck head stretches at the end, which relax your body and mind, and you feel so calm and patient at this point. I hope you enjoyed the video of back stretch routine yoga poses. At the end of this routine, you will feel kind of increased energy levels and of course less stress on your brain and body. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you find this video helpful for your back pain. If you're looking for more detailed back stretch routine exercises or yoga, meditation for relaxation of the brain and body, please check out our website for Hoopla, Libby, and especially Access videos. They have many videos there related to health fitness. Take care. See you next time. Bye.